The human enhancement, cyborgs and brain chips. The line between humans and machines is fading. What once belonged to science fiction, cyborg bodies, brain chips, and enhanced intelligence is rapidly becoming scientific reality. Human enhancement technologies are reshaping how we think, move, heal, and even evolve. At the center of this transformation are cyborg augmentation and brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, redefining what it means to be human in the 21st century. What is human enhancement? Human enhancement refers to the use of technology to improve physical, cognitive, or biological abilities beyond natural human limits. Unlike traditional medical treatments that restore lost functions, enhancement technologies aim to upgrade human capabilities, making us faster, stronger, smarter, and more connected. These enhancements range from wearable tech and genetic engineering to advanced implants that integrate directly with the human nervous system. Rise of cyborgs, humans with machine augmentations. A cyborg, short for cybernetic organism, is a human enhanced with mechanical or electronic components. Today's cyborg technologies are already transforming lives. Bionic limbs that restore movement and respond to neural signals. Artificial eyes that provide partial vision to the blind. Exoskeletons that help paralyzed patients walk again. Implanted sensors that monitor health in real time. Modern cyborgs are not science fiction warriors but everyday people using technology to overcome physical limitations. In the future, these augmentations may go further, enhancing strength, endurance, and even resistance to injury. Brain chips and neural implants. One of the most revolutionary advancements in human enhancement is the brain chip, also known as a brain-computer interface, BCI. These tiny devices are implanted in the brain to create a direct communication link between neurons and computers. Brain chips can allow paralyzed individuals to control robotic limbs, enable communication through thought alone, restore memory and cognitive functions, treat neurological disorders like Parkinson's and epilepsy, enhance learning speed and mental performance. In the near future, BCIs could enable instant access to information, seamless interaction with AI, and even mind-to-mind communication. The promise of enhanced intelligence brain chips may unlock a new era of cognitive enhancement. Humans could potentially learn languages instantly, improve memory storage and recall, increase focus and creativity, interface directly with artificial intelligence. This fusion of human intelligence and machine processing power could create augmented humans capable of solving complex global challenges, from climate change to space exploration. Ethical and social challenges. While human enhancement offers incredible benefits, it also raises serious concerns. Inequality: will enhancements be available only to the wealthy? Identity: where does humanity end and machinery begin? Privacy: could brain data be hacked or manipulated? Control: who owns and regulates enhanced human abilities? The idea of upgraded humans also sparks debates about fairness, consent, and the future of human evolution. Cyborg society: a new human era. As enhancement technologies become mainstream, society may witness the rise of augmented professions, enhanced soldiers, doctors, engineers, and astronauts. Work, education, and healthcare will evolve to accommodate humans who are partly biological and partly digital. Human enhancement could lead to a future where physical disability is eliminated, aging is slowed, and human potential is vastly expanded. Conclusion: evolution or transformation? Human enhancement through cyborg technologies and brain chips is not just a technological shift, it is an evolutionary leap. As humans merge with machines, we stand at the edge of a new era where biology and technology coexist. The question is no longer if humans will enhance themselves, but how far we will go, and whether we can guide this transformation ethically. The future of humanity may not be purely human, but it could be more powerful, connected, and intelligent than ever before.